Most people spend the entire day consuming information, solving problems, and responding to stimulation. Very few people ever truly transition out of that state before trying to sleep. Tonight's practice is designed to help quiet the mind, regulate the breath, and create a bridge between the intensity of the day and the stillness of the evening. Namaste, and welcome back to day 6 of Unwind, 21 days to relax, restore, and sleep better. Let's get ready to turn inward, setting the space for a beautiful, calm evening with our 3 deep breaths. Find your comfortable seated position, sitting nice and tall, pressing the seat down, reaching the crown of the head up, finding length in the vertebrae. Roll the shoulders back and down so the heart is open, soft and relaxed. Then I invite you to close the eyes, turn inside. Take a deep inhalation through the nose. Then open the mouth side out. Soften the body, soften the mind. Again, deep inhalation, fill the body with breath. Open the mouth side out. Feel the vibrations of the sigh bringing you into the present moment. One more time, this time we hold the breath. Deep inhalation. Sniff in as much as you can and hold it. And as you hold the breath, relax the face, release the jaw, the shoulders, the chest, the belly, genitals, and anus. Soften and relax for 3, 2, 1. Open the mouth side out. And sitting with the eyes closed, attention turned inside. Take a moment to arrive, here and now. Releasing the events of the day, the plans of the future, and just come to the present. Come into the body. How does your body feel this evening? How is your energy? Are there any emotions that are present or thoughts that have been recurring? And I remind you, this is just about awareness. It's just about checking in. Not about judging or trying to change or fix. Just being here with yourself is already perfect. Feeling connected with yourself this evening. Take a deep inhalation to the heart. And as you exhale, side out and gently coming back. Namaste, welcome. Thank you for joining me this evening. We're going to start waking up the spine with some Sufi grind. So leaning forward, then we rotate towards the right, round back, left and forward. Inhale as you come forward. Exhale as you round back. Try to draw as big of a circle as you can tonight from the center of the chest. Inhaling forward, exhaling back. As always, find the rhythm, the pace that feels just right for you. And next time you come to the front, switch directions, opposite direction. Still inhaling forward, exhaling back. And a reminder, I really encourage you to practice with your eyes closed as much as you can. And really feel inside what's happening. As you release the spine, as you massage the nervous system, pay attention to what's shifting with each breath, with each movement. And take a deep inhalation, sit nice and tall. Take in as much air as you can. Hold the breath and squeeze Mula Bandha. Contract the genitals, anus, pull the lower belly in. Feel this energy building inside you. And release and relax. Eyes closed, attention inside. Witness what's moving. Fine vibrations, tiny releases. The beautiful thing about this type of yoga, this kriya, these purifying actions we do, is you don't need to focus so much. They will just work. By moving and breathing, it will shift something within you. However, the more that we focus our mind on what's happening, the more effective the practice becomes. So don't stress about having the perfect attention the whole time, but aspire to become more and more present with your practice. Let's move now to spinal flex, holding on to the ankles. We inhale forward, exhale back. Inhale forward, opening the front, exhale, rounding back. You know, find your rhythm, find your pace. Less about going fast. Try to focus on the depth of respiration. Try to focus on how full you can breathe as you move and awaken the spine, awaken the central channel. And take a deep inhalation, sit nice and tall. Hold the breath, Mula Bandha, contract the genitals and anus. And release and relax. Eyes closed, attention inside, feeling. Most people spend the entire day consuming information, making decisions, problem solving, and responding to stimulation. Very few people ever take the time to step out of that state before trying to sleep. So practices like this create the bridge between the intensity of the outer world and the quietness that your mind has been craving. Beautiful. The next practice we're going to do is one of the best practices if you're having trouble sleeping. It's called Viparita Karani, or the inverted pose. There's a few different versions. For a couple of them, you might want to block, or more likely that you have a pillow, and you place it against the wall, and you can actually go against the wall with your legs up the wall. This is deeply restorative, deeply relaxing. Great option to do anytime that you're struggling to fall asleep at night. Another option is you can do without the wall, and you just have the legs up at 90 degrees while laying here. That's what I'll be demonstrating now. And again, you can use a pillow, or you can just use your hands under your sacrum. And the important thing here is that you have your legs in an angle where it's not a super core exercise. You should be very relaxed, very passive, and that will really enable deep belly breathing while allowing the additional blood pressure to put some relaxing energies into the mind. Okay, so let's give it a try. We're gonna do this for 2 minutes. You can go against the wall if it's accessible in your house. You can take a pillow or a block and then just lay down on the mat or against the wall. Lift your hips and place the pillow under your sacrum. Then you can have your hands by your hips and lift the legs up. Now again, find the angle where you can just relax the legs. That is not an abdominal exercise. This is why the wall is very convenient. Then you can have your hands on the belly, or you can have the arms up overhead or by the side wherever feels comfortable for you. We're gonna relax and breathe here for the next 2 minutes. I really encourage you to focus on breathing deep into the belly and just softening. Allow this pose, the effect of gravity, to naturally calm, soothe, and relax the mind. Nothing else you need to do, nowhere you need to be, nothing to accomplish. Just breathe into the belly and soften your body deeper into the pose. Beautiful. To release the pose, if you're on the wall, you can either roll to the side or you can push your legs into the wall and slide away from the wall to come lying. If you're not against the wall, you can hug your knees into the chest, then release your feet to the floor and slowly release the pillow or block from below the hips. Wherever you are, find your way down to lying on your back. Just take a moment to relax here. Feel the soothing effect of the inverted posture, deep relaxation of the nervous system. We're going to finish with some lying deep belly breathing. You can place your hands on your belly, or if you have a book or yoga block nearby, you can place that on the belly. We're going to breathe just to allow the hands, book, or block to move. As you inhale, really push the belly open. Feel the hands or book rising. And as you exhale, relaxing. Feel the belly softening down. Keep breathing long, slow, deep breaths down into the belly. And let each breath soften the body a little bit deeper. Keep feeling the hands, book, or block rise with each inhalation. Allow the belly to soften in with each exhalation. And gently return to normal breathing. Laying with the eyes closed, attention inside. Feeling the effect of today's practice. And take a moment to notice where you are now. In your body, energy, emotions and mind. Notice what's changed from when we started until now. And wherever you are, I invite you to bring a cute little smile to your face and feel grateful towards yourself for getting on the mat, taking this time to slow down, turn inside, and connect with yourself. What a beautiful gift a little bit of presence can be. Beautiful. You can continue to lie here, chill out, relax, do some meditation, or go directly to bed. Whatever you do, I hope you have a wonderful evening. I thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Namaste.